Hi children, now we are going to learn the phonic sounds of letter C. Okay, C sounds K, C sounds K, C sounds K. C for carrot, C for cap, C for corn, C for cat, C for cup, C for car, C for cow. Okay children, shall I repeat one more time? Okay, C for carrot, C for cup, C for corn, C for cap, C for cat, C for cow.